back to our series on the 4 C's. Today we're actually going to combine the parts 3 and 4, which is carat weight and cut. So before we really talk about the cut grade of a diamond, we really need to know the anatomy of a diamond. And here is a nice little diagram from the GIA that describes some of the parts of a diamond. At the top here, as you can see, this flat top is what we call the table. And as we move down the stone, the crown of the stone is basically that upper half of the stone, and the girdle is the intersection of the crown and the pavilion, and it defines the perimeter of the diamond. Here you can also find, if your stone is GIA certified, some of them are laser inscribed with that certificate number. The bottom portion of the stone is what we call the pavilion, and the very bottom of the stone, most likely the tip of the diamond, you don't typically want it to be flat, is what we call the cullet. The GIA has come up with a diamond cut grading scale, and it evaluates the angles of the facets. As you can see here, the scale starts out at excellent, and that means that all of these facets meet the guidelines of the angles, the size, the amount of facets that they need that will reflect the light to its greatest capacity so that we can see the fire, the brilliance, the scintillation. And it also talks about and evaluates the polish and the symmetry of the diamond, and that also plays into the durability of the diamond. What's the likelihood that the diamond could chip? It's the basic overall design and craftsmanship of the diamond. As we go down the scale, we have excellent, then we go to very good, and you can see on the chart here how it changes just slightly to good. And in these three, you still have pretty good light performance in the stone. But as we go on further down, you can see in this scenario, the fair cut, the crown, which is the top part of the stone, is a little bit more shallow. Here it's a little bit too heavy. And here, the line around the middle of the widest part of the diamond is the girdle, and that's a little too thick. And then we go down to poor, and this is a poor cut grade. But here the girdle of the diamond is entirely too thick. And so the weight of the stone, there is carat weight in that stone there. However, it is not dispersed properly. So when you look down on the diamond, it'll look much smaller than comparable to a well-cut diamond of the same carat weight. It's important not to confuse the cut of a diamond with the shape of the diamond. The shape of this diamond is round, and the shape of this diamond is princess. The angle of the facets determine how well a diamond is cut. The facets are working together to reflect the light throughout the stone and sending the light back out of the top of the stone. The fourth C is carat weight. Carat weight is the measurement of weight that we use to weigh a diamond. And if you think of a 1 carat diamond is equivalent to a $1 bill, it makes it a little easier to understand carat weight. So another way to say that is 100 points is equal to 1 carat. Here we have a 101 carat diamond, and compare that to this other half carat diamond. And as you can see here, we'll put it on the scale, and you can see that it weighs 101. We hope you enjoyed our series on the 4 C's. And check out our Facebook page for new and exciting videos that we have about all of the jewelry we have here at Jester Jewelers. Thank you. Bye-bye.